Well, going up on his boss today video is going to be on DEMARCO versus Masicka. I don't know what happened, but all of a sudden I saw a clip and I was like, what in the entire is going on? Anyway, DEMARCO did an interview on stage, right, with Winford, and he was saying that Masicka is like nylon thread for boss. So Masicka got a clip of the interview, and Masicka actually put up the clip. I'm going to play the clip right after this. You can hear for yourself and also zoom up on the words so you can read what Masicka is asking him, and that is if his DEMARCO is still singing.
Corey if invest in a product like how Corey invest in a product for conscience, but for Masicka and call it is like a nylon card for fishermen and say Masicka's nylon hard to bust. You see me? Can you know a nylon card hard for bust? You see me? Masicka's nylon hard to bust. Yeah man. You know see all madman a crawl out a gully and a bus.
So, being that Masicka had tagged DEMARCO into that post, DEMARCO replied on his page saying this: "You are getting there, my artist. 283 listeners at Masicka Music. My DJ, as I tell you, when you DM me to big up for being an inspiration to your prominent journey to fame. You're bad from long time. Everybody get their time. I six them and intense, I water, governor time now. Do as I always did and still doing now. Maintaining. Check my listener swipe left. As Poppy said, numbers don't lie. Prior hands. Be great, my DJ. Yeah, my DJ. I still a sing. Hashtag talent over hype." Well, I don't know what this will come off about at the end of the day. DEMARCO call out Masicka. Masicka answer back. Anyway, I don't know if they plan to go back and forth, but I can't the Instagram back and forth. I like when they put it into music. Worse, we in a quarantine. Put it into music. Put pen to paper and just do it into a music form and eat bread that way. So everybody still eat a lot of food. I can't take the Instagram back and forth. All of this long reading. Come on now. But yeah. And it is what it is. Them younger generation here, when it come on to music, them not play with those before. Them just say as them like and do as them like. Anyway, go and big up on yourself and stay safe. We'll catch you on the next.